Hello students and welcome to your channel. So today we are going to start with equation of line part 3. We have already studied part 1 and part 2 of this chapter, in which we have covered how to satisfy equation of line, or we can say which points satisfy equation of a line. Any point that lies on the line will satisfy that equation of line. And in part 2 video we studied about the slope. In this video we are going to study about intercept. Now see, there are two types of intercept. The one is x-intercept and the other one is y-intercept. Now basically what is this intercept? When we draw a graph, this is a graph. Let's suppose I am getting a straight line over here, and this line which meets x-axis, the point where it meets at x-axis, the distance of this point from origin, if it is on x-axis, so it is known as x-intercept. And if this point is on y-axis and its distance from origin is known as y-intercept. Now y-intercept, if we are provided with this point, let's suppose they have given x-intercept. X-intercept is -8. If they have given x-intercept is -8, so we can say that the point or the coordinate will be what? -8, 0. If they have given y-intercept, y-intercept is -8, that means distance of that point from origin is what? -8. So this coordinate will be what? 0, -8. So this is how, if intercepts are given, we can find the points of that line. Now coming on to next concept. What is the next concept? That is equation of line. Now there are different forms of equation of line. First is slope intercept form. Now see, this intercept, this is always represented by C. Now if we are getting an equation of line in slope intercept form, we have studied in part 1, slope is represented by M, intercept is represented by C. If I am writing equation like y is equals to mx plus c, so this is known as, C is known as intercept, and which intercept? Y-intercept. But if I am writing equation x is equals to my plus c, then in this case this c is known as x-intercept. This c will be known as x-intercept and this is known as y-intercept. So various forms of equation of line. We have already studied slope intercept form. What type of question comes? They say find equation of a line if we are provided with slope and intercept. So we have to convert that points in the form of equation. Second is point slope form. Point means we are provided with one point and we are provided with slope. So point, it may be x1, y1, and slope is represented by m. In this case equation will be what? Y minus y1 equal m into x minus x1. Third form, third question which comes, and they say find equation of straight line. So third type of question which comes, that is we are provided with 2 points. In question they mention only 2 points. So 2-point form equation will be what? 2 points will be provided to us, that is x1 y1 and x2 y2. So in this case what we'll do, we'll find m. How we'll find m? We have studied in our part 2 video that if 2 points are given we can find slope. So slope will be y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Then equation of line will be y minus y1 equal m, जो यहाँ से हम निकालेंगे x minus x1. So this is equation of 2-point form, and this one is the equation of point and slope form, and this one is the equation of when slope and intercept is given to us. Now the fourth form of equation is when only intercepts are given to us. Intercept form. Let's suppose they have given to us x intercept and y intercept. So here I'll assume x intercept A and y intercept, they have given what? B. So the equation will be x by A plus y by B equals 1. This is intercept form of equation. So we have studied the concept of equations of straight line, that there are various forms of equations of straight line. Now we'll solve the questions related to this concept only. So the question is, find equation of line with inclination 45 degree and y intercept is 5. Inclination 45 degree we have studied in part 2 video, that this is theta. Theta is given to us 45 degree. Y intercept, that means C is what? 5. Now with the help of this theta, with the help of this angle, we will find m. So m will be what? Tan theta. This will be tan 45 and value of tan 45 is 1. Thus m is equals to what? 1. Now we are provided with the slope and intercept. So slope and intercept form of equation is what? Y is equals to mx plus c. We will substitute the values of 1 m and c over here. So answer will be x plus 5. So this is how we have got equation of line. Next question, find equation of line whose inclination is 60 degree passing through -2, 5. Now inclination is 60 degree, that means theta is 60 degree. So m will be what? Tan 60, and value of tan 60 is what? √3. Now they have given point, that is x1 y1, which is equals to -2, 5. We have seen equation in the form of when we are provided with slope and intercept. So equation is what? Y minus y1 equal m into x minus x1. y1 is what? 5. m is what? √3. x1 is minus plus 2. Thus answer will be y minus 5 equal √3x plus 2 √3. Thus we'll shift 5 to that side. So we'll get y is equals to √3x. Sorry, it's √3x plus 2 √3 plus 5. So this is a form of equation, or we can say this is the required equation whose inclination is 60 degree and passing through -2, 5. So now the next question is, find equation of line passing through -3, 1, 1, 5. Now we are provided with 2 points. When we are provided with 2 points, like we are provided with x1, y1, which is -3, 1, and we are provided with other point, that is x2, y2, which is 1, 5. So we'll find what? Slope, that is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. y2 is 5 minus 1 upon 1 plus 3. So we'll get 4 by 4. Thus the slope is what? 1. Now equation is what? Y minus y1 equal m into x minus x1. Now in this part one confusion arises कि x1 y1 इसको consider करें, x1 y1 इसको, तो whomsoever you can consider x1 y1, no problems in that. Now y1 is what? 1 equal m is 1, x1 is -3, so x plus 3. Y minus 1 equal x plus 3, this 1 will be shifted over that side, thus y is equals to x plus 4. So this is required equation which is passing through two given points. Now next question is what? Find equation of line whose x-intercept is a and y-intercept is minus 12. Now say in this case I have told you the concept. You'll consider this as a and you'll consider this as b, and then you can write x by 8 plus y by minus 12 equals 1, and you'll solve it. You'll get your equation. There is one more method I'll tell you. What will happen? X-intercept is a. That means x coordinate is what? X coordinate will be 8, 0. Corresponding point which lies on x axis will be this, and y coordinate will be what? 0, minus 12. Now again we are provided with 2 points. We can find slope. So slope will be minus 12 minus 0 upon 0 minus 8. Thus minus 12 by minus 8, this will be 3 by 2. Now y minus y1. Y1 is what? 0 equal 3 by 2. X minus x1. X1 is what? 8. X minus 8. So this will shift over to that side. 2y equal 3x minus 24. Thus y is equals to 3 by 2x minus 24 by 2. So this will be 3x by 2 minus 12. So this is required equation of line. Now see here, अगर हमने ऐसे किया होता x by a, y by b, which was intercept form, so we have got same answer in this case also. 8 and 12 का LCM लेते 24, 8 3s are, so 3x minus 2y equal 1, 3x minus 2y equal 24. Thus we'll shift 3x to that side. Minus 2y equal minus 3x plus 24. minus 2 से सबको divide कर देंगे. So we'll get 3 by 2x, and here we'll get minus 12. So this is required equation of line. There are two methods to solve this equation. The one which I have told, direct method, will assume this to be a and this to be b, and then we can find equation of a straight line.